guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well in the lock sport community. Today I have a brand new CISA 50mm brass body. Just had a look at it. I have not had a look at this. Okay, so we'll just leave it as is. There it is. There's the keyway. Let's see if we can do something with this. Just the Yale style keyway. Maybe try it from the bottom. Let's give it a shot. Here we go, guys. CISA 50mm. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just gonna come back up top. 1 click. 2, and we're in. There we go, guys. That's the CISA 50mm for you guys today. There's the key, 5-pinner. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate your support. Thank you. We'll see you at the next one.